You're not afraid of hard work. You're afraid of working hard on the wrong things. AI is getting better every month. Some jobs will vanish. Some skills will be worth almost nothing. But a few high-income skills will stay valuable in 2026 and beyond. The people who learn them now will not be replaced. They'll be promoted. In this video from Inspire Path 2, you'll learn 7 AI-proof high-income skills you can start learning today. For each skill, I'll tell you what it is, why it pays, and how to start from zero. Pick 1 or 2, focus for the next year, and 2026 will not scare you. It will reward you. Skill 1, persuasive writing. AI can write paragraphs, but it still doesn't understand emotion and desire. Persuasive writing or copywriting is using words to make people feel something and take action. Click, sign up, or buy. To start, study powerful ads and emails. Rewrite them by hand. Write headlines and hooks every day. Then offer free or cheap help to small creators and businesses. If your words make money, so do you. Skill 2, high-ticket sales. Chatbots answer questions. They don't build trust. High-ticket sales means closing big deals on the phone or on Zoom. Coaching, agency services, software, education. One sale can pay more than a month of a normal job. Learn to ask questions, listen deeply, and handle objections calmly. Look for remote closing or appointment setter roles. You will always be needed wherever big decisions are made. Skill 3, short-form content and personal brand. AI can cut clips, but people follow people. Knowing how to plan, film, and edit short videos for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts is a high-income skill. Everyone wants attention. Attention lives in the feed. Pick a niche you understand. Make 30 simple videos with your phone. Learn basic editing and strong hooks. Then help brands and creators turn long videos into short content that actually gets views. Skill 4, offer creation. Most people sell time. High earners sell offers. Offer creation is packaging what you can do into a clear result. Not I edit videos. I turn your podcast into 20 viral clips every week done for you. Pick a problem you can help solve. List everything you can include to make success easier. Turn that into a simple package with a promise and a price. Test it, adjust, repeat. Skill 5, AI-powered automation and no-code. This is how you use AI instead of being replaced by it. Businesses drown in repeated tasks, copying data, sending emails, updating sheets. If you can connect tools and automate steps, you save them time and money. Learn one tool like Zapier, Make, or N8N. Automate something in your own life first, then do the same for small businesses or creators. By 2026, people who plug AI into real workflows will be in high demand. Skill 6, systems and operations. Ideas are cheap. Execution wins. Systems and operations means turning chaos into checklists and processes. As online businesses grow, they always need someone who can organize tasks, people, and tools. Practice by documenting everything you do, step by step. Use tools like Notion, ClickUp, or Trello. Offer to clean up the back end of a small business or content team. You become the person who makes things work. Skill 7, relationship building. AI will never replace real relationships. The person who can connect, follow up, and create win-win deals will always have opportunities. Clients, partners, jobs, investors. Choose one platform X, LinkedIn, or email. Share what you're learning. Comment with value. Send short, honest messages to people you respect. Who you are, what you're building, and how you can help. Be useful, not needy. You don't need all 7 skills. You need 1 or 2 you're willing to be bad at while you learn. Persuasive writing, sales, content, offers, automation, systems, relationships. Pick one, study it every day, practice it every week. Use AI as a tool, not a crutch. By 2026, AI won't have taken every job. It will have taken the jobs of people who never built real skills. If you're ready to build yours, subscribe to Inspire Path 2, because this is where discipline, high-income skills, and your future are built.